Deep Bay is part of Roche State Park in New York. The park offers 60 moorings to rent. And with over 15 miles of trail, there's a lot to explore. We had a lot of fun walking the Connor Bay Trail, and the stone beach is located on the east side of the park. Deep Bay is a beautiful place to visit on your next Lake Champlain boating trip. For our full harbor guide, click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up on our sailing adventures.